Hey, my name is Mary Grace, and I was a sales associate at Christina Lynns this summer, and my day-to-day responsibilities would be to process inventory and put it in our system and help assist customers. I secured the internship by applying online and having a face-to-face interview, and I enjoyed most creating content for the website and for the Instagram. And three things that I learned were how to deal with issues with customers and how to fix problems with getting in the wrong orders and how to insert all of our clothes into Square and Shopify. And something that I would tell a girl going into an internship is just to be yourself and enjoy it.